Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up microinteractions with CSS and Webflow, full guide step by step clearly. To set up microinteractions with CSS and Webflow, start by opening your Webflow project. Choose the element you want to add a microinteraction to. In the right panel, locate and click on the Interactions tab. Click on plus New Interaction to create a new interaction. Select Page Load if you want the interaction to trigger when the page loads. Alternatively, select mouse click for an element that responds to clicks. Once selected, choose the trigger you prefer for your interaction. Click on Add a Trigger and set the initial state for your element. Define how the element will appear before the interaction starts. Add a new action to your interaction for when the trigger occurs. Select Start an Animation and click on Create a new animation. Name your animation for easy identification later. Choose the property you want to animate, such as opacity or transform. Set the desired initial values for your property. Add a keyframe to your timeline by clicking on the plus icon. Adjust the property values for the keyframe to create the desired effect. Configure the timing for the animation in the timeline. You can adjust the duration and easing for a smoother transition. Once your animation looks good, click on Done to save it. Preview the interaction by clicking on the preview icon at the top. Make adjustments as needed based on your preview feedback. If you want more complex interactions, consider adding multiple triggers. Repeat the process to create other animations for different interactions. Test the interactions thoroughly to ensure a seamless user experience. Once satisfied, publish your changes in Webflow to see them live. Review your site in a browser to validate the final appearance and functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.